Alright, so while I'm here, I want to show you guys one of the biggest no crank, no start issues I've ever seen on a Honda. And it's basically right here on your starter solenoid. It just has a female connector. That's all it has. And when these ears on this connector decide to spread itself open, it just almost falls off your little male connector in here. So anytime you have an issue where it's a no crank and no start, honestly, that'd be the first place I would even check. It's right there. If that's broke or stretched or halfway out or fell off, it can cause a major problem. And the next thing I've seen is right here, grounds. I actually went to this place called NYE, and they make these grounds for these cars. I got one there, and then I got one right here. Here's my intake valve cover, whatever you call it. But make sure when you do this, do not put your ground cable on this bolt. It has a rubber insulator. You're not doing nothing. This is complete steel down through here. Aluminum ground, steel, aluminum, whatever you can call it. But put it right here. That grounds your whole system. Grounds all your bolts. Grounds everything. So, no, yes.